I hate when they ice over the handles. I throw it away.
Guys, again, we are on our rooftop of the porch. We have an enclosed porch and the roof is a little on the flat side, so we have to clear up all the snow
Well, good. Not
so the roof will not be compromised. It's over 2 feet of snow in New Jersey, USA. Over 2 feet of snow now.
Huh? Don't do that. It's gonna continue snowing until at least 6 o'clock tomorrow in the afternoon. And I had makeup on and it went on the snow. I know, right? Like, literally did again. Right? Goodness.
You guys want more snow? I mean, water. Oh gosh.
Goodbye.
What have I said?
Goodbye. We're gonna have to soak our so our clothes don't fall off. Got it.
So this is our enclosed porch, and the roof that we are trying to protect is horizontally long, so there's no protection in the middle. So we have to take out the snow on top of it to protect and not compromise the roof. Once again, thank you for watching our videos. And don't forget to hit like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you will be notified when I uploaded a new video. Thank you.